چشمک گیر کردم.
Come out in the open! Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression. The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers. Come out in the open. Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression.
Group at extraction point.
The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers. Come out in the open. Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression. The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers.
دیدی کجا رفتن؟ نمیدونن زیاد دور رفته باشن.
دشمن اینجاست. مخفی میکنم. من میرم بالا. من میرم پایین. من میرم. اونجا تیر بزنید.
Motherfucker hands! Holy shit! Blackburn! Am I glad to see you? In about half an hour, this place is gonna be every fucking man for himself. Come on, let's get the fuck out of here. Misfit, this is Misfit 1-3. I think I'm almost back at the staging area. I don't know, this place looks real different without any frickin' buildings.
I got the door. Come on. Milnet was saying there's riots all over the fucking city. And get this, a coup in Iran. Sponsored by your friendly neighborhood PLR.
Stop me if this is incorrect. Farouk al-Bashir and the PLR seized power in Iran almost the same day as the earthquake. They become a threat. A few weeks later, we send in 50,000 Marines to take them out. We go to war in Iran.
Is this a history lesson?
What part did you play in going after al-Bashir?
That's a broad question.
Well, then I will narrow it down. Your first mission.
Initially, our role was to do BDA after airstrikes in the northern quarter of Tehran.
Battle damage assessment. Why were you doing that?
It was procedure. We were looking for a high-value target Fast Air was supposed to hit.
So far as I can tell, you don't have a great history of following procedure.
Tell me about your interaction with Lieutenant Colby Hawkins. She was an F-18 pilot?
She? Don't know her.
As you went in, she took part in an airstrike on al-Bashir.
Hawkins, we just got raised to Alert 1. Plans have changed. We're launching now. CAG says we're special today. We're not on station for some Whiskey Delta ground support. Dask is gonna fill us in airborne, but we are flying a strike mission over Tehran into Mirabat Airport. Elint has sat images. They think they know where al-Bashir is. So, get your fangs out, Hawkins. We're hunting big game today. That's pretty much it. There's Iranian bogeys in the air already. Pucker factor 9.7. Farouk al-Bashir is about to have a really bad day. Okay, let's rock and roll.
Close the lid, will you?
Shark 4-6, you're second in line.
Shark 4-6, roger.
Okay, sir, I need you to go ahead and tap the brakes and check flaps and stabs.
You heard him, Hawkins. Flaps and stabs left side. Okay, good. How are we on right side? System check weapons. Initiate HMD visor. Got a green light up front. Switch to cannon. Okay, gun spun up. Looks good. Check missiles. Missile system tracking. Arm and check flares. Alright. Weapons and countermeasures good to go. Have good ends, good highs, good lows. No outlights. Ready in the back. Here we go.
Putting tension on.
2050 Miami Center.
Let's do this. Here we go. Good shot. Good engines. Good end speed. Gear up.
Shark 4-6, turn heading 290. How copy?
Shark 4-6. Good copy. Shark 4-6, this is Shark 4-2, leveling off on your starboard.
Shark 4-6, this is Heavy 212. Contact 8 miles. I have a flight of 2 Angels 3. The deck northwest of your position. Turn to heading 310.
Shark 46, copy. Heading 310, Angels 3. 4-2, turn in now. Master arm on. Master arm on. Good luck. Moving through cloud layer now. Minor turbulence.
Roger, noted.
Shark 4-2, radar contact, closing fast. Here we go. Heavy 2. Goliath has towed back. Motherfuckers! Engage. Brake left. Brake left. Shark 4-6, they're splitting. I'm engaging. Pushing the one to the left. I got the one on the right. 2-on-2, Shark 4-6. Confirm bandits VID on 2. Engaging in Angel 6.
Shark 4-6, copy.
Here we go, Hawkins. Bogey dumping flares. Look. He's splitting speed. He's on my 6. Shit. Where's he at, Hawkins? Stay with him. Enemy lock. Flares out. Flares out. He's tracking. Enemy lock. No flares. Give him 20 mil. Hold off. Don't take speed. Keep visual. Hang on. Come on, lock him up, Hawkins. You got towed. Shoot. Fox 2 set. For the flares. Fox 2. Bandits, move the clock. Fox 2 set me. Good hit, good kill. Splash 1. Bandit, on my 6. I'm on him. Get ready to break. 4-6. Nice job, Hawkins. Flares out. Flares out. Look for cannon rounds. I don't see him. I don't see him. There he is. Good. Hawkins. Fire guns. 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 Good shot. Good kill. Bandit, 3 o'clock low. 4-6, Fox 2. Good shot. Flash 1. Heavy 2-on-2, this is Shark 4-6. Flash 1 for bandit.
6. Turn to heading 280. Continue with original strike package destination.
What the hell? I got radar He's tracking. No flares. Enemy lock. No flares. Defending. Watch our 6. Starboard side. He's pulling to the right side. Don't lose him, Hawkins. Good. He's just in. Good hit. Good kill. Splash 1. He's breaking left. Left side. He's pulling hard. He's pulling on the side. Damn it, we put in flares. Don't lose him, Hawkins. Heavy 212, Shark 46. I'm now joining strike formation. Over.
This is Bulldog 3-3, flight of 2, coming up on your 9.
Roger. I'm getting multiple SAM signals coming from the airport.
We're just on Bulldog 3-2.
Hawkins, switch over to targeting pod and take him out. Heavy 212, 46. Rolling on to target area with potential high-value target. Over.
Roger. North ground element, call sign Reaper 1 in the area. And Striker 2-1 and 2-2 coming in for J-Dam drop.
God damn it. They're getting close to those rounds. 46 is switching over to AGM 88. All right, Hawkins. Switch us over to ground attack. Marking the SAMs. Make sure we get good track on their radar before you fire. Take out those positions. Direct hit. Focus up. On target. Nice shot. Kids, engage those SAMs. We gotta clear them out before the A-10s. That's 3.
4-6 Reaper 1, we have eyes on fuel trucks crossing the tarmac. Looks like they're headed for fighters. How copy?
Tracker 2-2. We're lasing targets for you now. How copy?
Roger. Rolling in. Stand by.
4-6, copy. Okay, Hawkins. Switch to infrared. Find them.
4-6, reference the main terminal. There's one across the runway now.
Keep the tracker on target.
Bombs away.
Good kill.
Shark 4-6, you have another one near the radar tower.
Bombs away. 3 seconds. Direct hit.
4-6, there are aircraft coming out of the hardened bunkers. They're trying to take off. Over.
4-6, roger. Hawkins, reference those 3 bunkers across from the main terminal. Use infrared and laze them for Striker 2-2. That's it. Hold on them. Direct hit.
This is Reaper 1. You got another fighter turning onto the runway
3
now.
seconds. Good kill. That's the last one.
This is Reaper 1. I have 3 vehicles moving along the runway. This might be our HVT. Wait out. Shark 4-6. Stand by to engage if the target is verified. How? Copy?
Roger. Okay, Hawkins. Get ready to laze them for Bulldog 3-3.
Reaper 1, Heavy 212. Be advised, you have a single aircraft approaching from the south at low speed, altitude 502. Do you have eyes on? Over. Roger. It's a helicopter. Looks like it's headed for the vehicles. Roger. You have 4-6 on station. 4-6, this is Reaper 1. We need them to get out of the car so we can verify it's our target. Stand by to engage.
Bulldog 3-3. We will laze for gun run. How copy?
Roger. Solid copy. Coming around now. They're definitely PLR. You are clear to engage. You are clear to engage.
Paint the area. 3-3 is standing by.
Roger. 2 seconds.
In a helicopter.
Good kill. On target. Roger. We have individuals running. You are cleared to take them out too.
Roger.
Roger. 3 seconds.
Good kill. Good kill.
Reaper 1, all call signs be advised. We have further units securing the airbase now. Negative on further ground attack. How copy?
Roger. Solid copy. Switch off the camera. Let's get back to the boat. Heavy 212. Shark 4-6 egressing out of target area.
Roger. Turn to heading 040. Watch for traffic when feet are wet. 212 out.
Shark 4-6, you are approaching glide path. Slightly out. Course correcting at 3 miles. Shark 4-6, 2 miles out.
Hook down.
Shark 4-6, got your hook down. Looking good. You got the ball. Shark 4-6, on glide path. On course. Put them on. Call the ball.
I got the ball. Bringing her down.
40 knots. On the ball.
800. 750. 600.
Power.
550. 500.
Right on the ball. Bring her down.
That's a nice story. I don't see how it connects, though.
What, I gotta draw you a map? Al Bashir was never there. That's why you went in.
We knew he was in Tehran somewhere. He'd gone into hiding.
I see. And until this point, you didn't believe al-Bashir was affiliated with Solomon? There was no link?
Just what I saw in Iraqi Kurdistan when I saw
I've got
Solomon.
a question. Al Bashir was our JFK. We should have left him where he was. You remember saying that?
No.
Who did?
I don't know.
Sure you don't. I bet you don't know who shot your CO either.
Fuck you.
Let's not forget the nature of a little interaction here. This is not a trial. You are guilty. I know how your fucking story is.
We're not here to manhandle him. Let him go. Now, as far as our treatment of him goes, our directives are very clear. I just want to get to the bottom of this, and I want to do it cleanly.
Fine. Tell us how you found the nuke in Tehran.
That is a big city.
It is. No gun trucks yet.
No. The wheels of fate turn slowly, my brother.
Misfit, this is Haymaker.
Send traffic.
Misfit, BDA of airstrike targets turned up inconclusive. However, as of 0300 hours, forward elements of Colonel Garrison's regiment took Defia Bridge. This puts Misfit and Haymaker in position to capture enemy structures housing strategic intelligence. Break. Your first objective is Kodir apartment complex beyond the canal. We will commence the assault in 1 mic. Get ready to step off. Out.
Copy that. There's Haymaker. We're going. All call signs Misfit. We on mission launch. Repeat, we on mission launch.
Sir. Roger.
Blackburn. Order out. Go! Go! Go!